can't open any of the folders on my desktop.
Hey, you think that's bad? All of my documents are frozen. Yeah.
What was that?
Windows just crashed.
I'll see if anybody else is having problems. Hey, Joe, how you guys doing?
Everything is running really slow.
Hey, Stephanie, you having any problems?
I'm locked out!
Bill, can you guys get on the network?
No, we keep getting dropped.
Whoa! That's it. I'm calling IT. Hey, we're having...
I know, I'm working on it.
What's going on?
I think it's a problem with the firewall.
Sounds like this might be a while.
That's it. I'm gonna try restarting.
No! No! Greg. What? My mouse is broken. I get it. Ah, crap.